Mike with CHP, Mobile Health Unit. This week, we have two colleagues of mine who are doing amazing work out there in the community to make sure you all in Berkshire County have the proper fuel you need to tackle your healthcare journey. So without further ado, it's dietitians Ashli Minor and Michelle Sisk.
I'm a nutritionist at CHP, and we work with a community sustainable farm-based program called the Nutrition Club. We service Berkshire Fallon Health patients, and our members are diabetics and high-risk pregnant and postpartum moms with children up to 1 year old. This is Michelle, our culinary nutritionist. I'm going to let her talk to you about what our program offers.
Hey, so each week we offer a bag of fresh produce, locally sourced or sourced from one of the local grocery stores. And we create a recipe that you can make using the items in the bag. And we also have educational handouts that come out, as well as education that we put out through YouTube videos and Instagram. And we also counsel people through the mobile health unit via telehealth.
And once the summer hits, we have beautiful CSA shares from farmers throughout the county, as well as eggs and fresh meat and chicken, pork from local farms around Berkshire County. So please, if you have any potential of being a member and you have Berkshire Fallon health insurance and are a high-risk pregnant mom or a diabetic, reach out to us at 413-528-0457. Thank you.